In Zimbabwe, locally trained acupuncturists have used traditional Chinese medical methods to treat and cure a range of health problems for local people. Tatenda Chimbunda worked as a pharmacist after graduating from China Pharmaceutical University last year. An acupuncture training course in Harare has helped her become a multitasker.
Most of my time I practice as a pharmacist, and then because I also have the certificate in acupuncture, I also practice acupuncture, especially at the traditional Chinese medicine clinic here at alongside the Chinese doctors who are around.
Besides acupuncture, Chimbunda also excels in other Chinese medical methods.
I taught Tatenda acupuncture, massage, scraping, cupping, massage, etc. She has learned a lot, I think. At present, she can do acupuncture for the patients alone.
Chimbunda said the Chinese medical treatments have helped many locals who suffer from health conditions like migraine headache, lower back pain, and joint pain. Chimbunda is among the 10 medical workers who have benefited from the training course at the Zimbabwe China TCM and Acupuncture Center at Pereira Hospital. The center was established in 2020 as part of the efforts to offer Zimbabweans affordable medical alternatives.